Thank you for your interest in RoofStone, the LiveRoof integrated paver. We developed RoofStone in response to designer demand for an artisan-quality green roof paver and to contractor necessity for labor-saving solution. Patented RoofStone pavers feature built-in bases which allow for seamless integration with LiveRoof modules. RoofStone is best suited for maintenance walkways, vegetation-free zones at perimeters, and patios which follow roof contours. RoofStone works best in applications with a pitch of 1/4 inch per foot or less. This guide will help you save time and money by demonstrating the most efficient way to install RoofStone pavers. A printed version of this guide is available to download from our website. For most projects, you may only need the following tools to install RoofStone: a broom and dustpan to sweep aggregate from underneath the pavers, scissors or snips to cut pallet banding, and a chalk line. Depending on the project design, you may also need chalk or paint pen, square and/or tape measure to mark cut lines, saws and blades for cutting concrete and plastic, water source and hose for wet saw, masking or duct tape for dry cuts, rubber mallet for connecting pavers with WindDisc, drill, rivet gun, and blind rivets. Begin by marking the location of the paver installation using a tape measure and chalk line. When ready, safely lift the pallet of RoofStone pavers to the roof deck. A single pallet of pavers can weigh up to 2,600 pounds. Therefore, to avoid overloading the roof, the pavers typically should not be set down on the roof and should remain suspended during installation. The suspended pallet of pavers may be stabilized against twisting and rocking using tires or insulation. Once the pallet is stabilized, cut the pallet banding, remove the cardboard wrapper, and begin setting the RoofStone pavers in place according to the roof plan. Each order includes 1 shim per 4 pavers. These 1/10 inch thick shims are designed to prevent RoofStone pavers from rocking back and forth on uneven sections of the roof. In our experience, this typically is more than enough shims to stabilize pavers. If needed, extra shims may be ordered through your LiveRoof representative. RoofStone is designed to follow roof contours, and these shims are not intended to create a dead level paver surface. If you need to level the surface over a large, low roof area, use pedestals beneath the RoofStone pavers. Place pedestals at the corners of the RoofStone pavers and twist the pedestal to the desired height, as you would with traditional pavers. Alternatively, insulation may be tapered and layered to level uneven pavers. To do this, measure and cut insulation to fill in low areas. Allow for sufficient drainage. Typically, water runs off through small gaps between sheets of insulation. Unless it abuts a parapet or building wall, the perimeter of RoofStone applications must be surrounded with roof edge aluminum edge restraint to protect the plastic base from UV exposure. Failure to protect bases from sunlight will void the RoofStone warranty. As an added measure against wind pressure, LiveRoof recommends that edging be secured to RoofStone paver bases using blind rivets. Rivets can be removed by drilling out the center. Traditional paver pedestal systems require edging when installed next to LiveRoof modules. RoofStone's unique base fully contains the green roof soil, thus eliminating the need for edging between the products. RoofStone pavers are designed to integrate with LiveRoof standard modules, which are 4 1/4 inch deep. If 6 inch or 8 inch soil profiles are desired, LiveRoof recommends using a perimeter of LiveRoof standard modules between the RoofStone pavers and the taller LiveRoof deep or max modules. These LiveRoof systems have the same plastic module height, which allows them to integrate seamlessly. Alternatively, additional bases may be ordered to raise the height of the RoofStone paver assembly. The pavers are simply placed atop the extra bases and slid into place next to the deeper green roof modules. Pavers may need to be cut to fit at the perimeter or around rooftop penetrations and equipment. For the cleanest cuts, LiveRoof recommends a wet saw with a 14 inch diamond concrete blade. A piece of tape should be placed over the cut line to prevent chipping. Most chop saws or circular saws will require cuts to be made on both sides of each paver. Cut the concrete top first, then flip the paver over and finish the cut through the plastic base. Curved cuts can be made by making several straight cuts on an angle to create the curve. To accommodate ridges, low penetrations, or irrigation lines, notches may be cut out of the plastic base. An angle grinder with a blade suited to cutting plastic is best for this task. Turn the paver and cut the waste plastic away from the concrete top. It is ideal to remove entire sections of the RoofStone base when making notches. This keeps the factory edges in contact with the roof membrane and prevents potential damage from burrs. High wind applications may require WindDisc, LiveRoof's patented wind uplift solution. On these projects, RoofStone pavers must be special ordered and will arrive to the job site with slots cut into the corners of each base. To install WindDisc, start by laying a row of RoofStone pavers or LiveRoof modules. Next, use a rubber mallet to tap the discs into place where each corner meets. On uneven roofs, a crowbar or the back of a hammer may be helpful in lifting pavers to level slots prior to inserting the discs. You may need to use shims to prevent RoofStone pavers from rocking after aligning slots. Then, push the next row of pavers into place, pressing firmly on each paver to ensure the discs on both sides fully engage into the slots. If needed, use a rubber mallet to tap the pavers firmly. We hope you found this guide helpful and are now ready to begin your RoofStone installation. If you have any additional questions, please call us at 800-875-1392.